Hi guys, welcome to your break. My name is Tocco. I am going to be your performance mixologist for all of the breaks coming up. I hope you've enjoyed the conference so far because we're going to have some fun for the next few minutes. We're going to be making a popular drink, a mojito, a flavored mojito. I'm going to be flipping some bottles, playing with some fire. We're going to have some fun. I'm going to try not to be too educational, but if you do want to follow along at home or make it in the future, we're going to have the ingredients up for you. And you can definitely recreate this at home or go to your local cocktail bar and at least know what it is you're ordering. That's the type of drinks I'm going to be using, a lot of popular classic drinks as we go through these 6 drinks. And it's definitely stuff that you can, like I said, make at home, or you can go to your local cocktail bar and order, and now you can see how it's made. So without further ado, the first thing that we're gonna make is a mojito, a watermelon kiwi mojito. So we're gonna end up making a virgin one, but I'm gonna show you the step where it goes from virgin and not so virgin. So it's gonna start the same way. It's gonna start with your fruit, okay? You're gonna take your fruit and you're gonna put it into something like a pint glass. We got kiwi and we got watermelon here. And then you're gonna take some kind of muddler device and you're gonna wanna squish that all the way down, get that going. The reason I chose watermelon is because it has a lot of liquid, and that liquid's gonna help fill up the drink. Since we're going to be making it a virgin drink, I wanted it to have more of like a consistent flavor that's more natural going through it, as opposed to this lemonade that we're gonna use instead of the liquor, which you'll see here in a moment. So once that's all muddled in, the next thing that's gonna go into the mojito that's very important is simple syrup. Now we're using fruit, which has a lot of sugar, so we're not gonna have to use a lot of simple syrup. So if you were making a regular mojito, you would probably go with something like a ½ ounce or an ounce of simple. So we're gonna go on the low side, and we're just gonna do a ½ ounce of simple. But we're not just gonna do it a normal style. We're gonna do it a Flair bartender style, which is something like this. So a little extra flips, a little extra show for you guys. And there you are. Your ½ ounce of simple syrup. Simple syrup is just simply sugar and water, equal parts. And it becomes this thick syrup stuff that you see right here. So the next thing that we would do normally in a mojito is put the liquor, okay? But instead of putting the liquor, I'm gonna go ahead and put lemonade. Now we will put 2 ounces of liquor, but since I have so much liquid here from the watermelon, I'm only gonna put a 1 ounce of this lemonade. Okay, so of course we can't do it normal, right? That would be boring. So there is a little bit of lemonade. Again, that whole thing could have been done with rum. It would have been 2 ounces of rum, and then that's gonna be a non-virgin mojito, but we went with the lemonade instead. Now, of course, we're gonna need mint here. Now, a lot of people will actually muddle the mint with the lime, but I find that just a couple of presses with the mint, with the muddler, and then fresh lime is gonna give a much better result. A lot of times when you're muddling the lime, you're gonna get the bitter taste that comes from the rind. So we're trying to avoid that bitter taste and only have nice taste. So just like I said, a couple of compressions here with the mint, just to express its flavor. And then we are going to put our fresh lime, which is right there, of course. So that's a ½ a lime I just pressed there. I'm gonna go ahead and press a whole lime. If you press a whole lime, that's usually gonna come out to about 1 ounce. I'm making sure that it's a pretty normal amount that's coming out there, and it looked to me about to be 1 ounce, which looked good. We're gonna now add our ice and shake. We are gonna put this into a fresh glass here. Add some more ice, just a few cubes. And then we are gonna top it with some soda water. Give it a little spin here just to kind of get all the fruit evenly dispersed so that you can see it throughout the glass. I think it's nice when you can see all the fresh stuff that's going on in there. Get it nice and like mixed around and spread out there. So just a straw here and some garnish. And that is your virgin kiwi watermelon mojito. But that's not it, because we're gonna play with some fire. As we go along here, we're gonna get more and more dangerous. For now, we're gonna start with 2 bottles on fire. And we'll just get crazier from there. So I hope you guys enjoy the conference coming up, and I'll see you on the next break.